town hall meeting. This event is being hosted by We for We TV, Val Media, and Val Amadi Foundation. Current presidential aspirant, Omoyele Sowore, please.
Thank you! Our country! Our future!
I'm happy that he was able to accept our invitation to speak to wonderful people like us all today. So
get into office next year, which I'm sure will happen, by the way.
Yes.
Yes.
Take it back!
When we take Nigeria back, no Nigerian will have to get a visa to go to Nigeria.